How to forward a video from Messenger to WhatsApp. Forward, send, share on both Android and iOS device. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can forward a video from Messenger to WhatsApp. Now first, here what you want to do is open up the Messenger app and head into a certain chat, and here if you scroll up here you can see two videos right here on the screen. Now if you want to forward a particular video, what you can do is first tap on the share icon that you can see at the video and you'll be able to forward it. You can see you can forward it to any chats or friends on your Messenger, or if you long tap on it, and here you'll get the forward option and you'll get the similar option to forward it to your Facebook friends or Messenger friends, but you won't be able to forward it to WhatsApp. Now an easier way to do so is to simply long tap on the video and you'll get the option to save video. Save the video right there, and then once you do it, what you can do is head over to your WhatsApp, and once you open WhatsApp, head into a certain chat and then tap on this particular icon you can see at the bottom of screen and head into your gallery, and here you'll be able to see your saved video right here and you can send it from here. So this way you can forward a video from Messenger to WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.